Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. It's cold here today. Well, it's winter. Somewhere it's winter. So I'll make something that will warm up this booty of mine. I'll make some bobotie from South Africa. Let's call that bobotie coal. Super easy, super tasty, good for everybody. Let's shake that bobotie. What you will need to make a bobotie is 1 onion finely chopped, 2 bay leaves, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of fresh chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 pound of ground beef. This one has 18% of fat. 1 cup of liquid cream, 2 eggs. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm some oil in a pan over medium heat. Then add chopped onion, garlic, and bay leaves. And mix for 1 minute. Add the spices, turmeric, cumin and curry powder. Then mix for 1 minute. Add beef mince and mix well with a wooden spoon. Then add vinegar and regularly mix for 5 to 10 minutes. What's good is, a little bit of fat in your meat. So this meat here has 18% fat. You can also add some curry paste. It's really a matter of choice here. I like it, so I add a little bit like this, 1 spoon or something. That's good. Turn it off and season with salt and pepper. Then mix again, you know, like you're supposed to do in that case. Mix a little bit more. Yes, like this. Combine liquid cream and eggs together with salt and pepper. Whisk. Pour the mix in a baking dish or several smaller dishes if you want to bake individual portions. And plate like a Michelin one-star restaurant, you know, that super classy, super fancy. Yeah. And pour the batter over the meat mix to evenly cover it. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. Thank you. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.